Welcome back to the Tear It Out to the 568 is just starting to work now in the yard. Pulling up to clear the track. One switch. Probably gonna do like one move, which is drop customer cars off. I don't know if the lead locomotive, which is number 416, will go all the way towards me. It is extreme. Okay. I think it just could get to me. We're going down the siding here, so. I'll just walk up a good bit. This is probably the closest shot that I can get of them today.
Center 568. Good evening, Taylor.
Yep, good evening. Yeah, good evening to them in a snowstorm. Turn the ditch lights on so that I can get a shot with the ditch lights on. But I just feel like I just want to get back in the car. Obviously, this clear signal isn't for 568, it's for Go 3775, which will be in the next video. After this one. We'll also get a quick look at the train too. They're not too long, but too big for a train here. Nasty stuff. Take a look at the train. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-ish cars coming in. 9416 and 7080 is the power. I think they'll just throw those 10 cars away, so I'm going to end the video around here, and I need to get back in the car. Thank y'all for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, hit that bell. See you next time.